known as the gateway to the Great Barrier Reef, and housing the world's oldest rainforest. Cairns has many more secrets than you would believe. We go exploring what's behind the surface.
We have come to Crystal Cascade. 15-minute drive, 20-minute drive from the centre of Cairns. Read some good reviews, good little swimming hole. Just going to check it out. This is the first stop of a few waterfalls and swimming hole areas that we're going to do today. Also, if you didn't know, in Cairns right now it's like 1,000,000 degrees. I think it was actually 1,000,006 on ABC weather, so that's good to know.
1,000% humidity.
1,000. So we now have to walk 15 minutes along a nice paved path through a part of the rainforest, which will get you to the cascade.
So hot I could die. I could actually die. Hey Ryan, are you so hot you could die?
So hot you could die?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Are you so hot you could just die?
Oh, I'm so hot I could die. So hot I could die. So hot I could die. That is Crystal Cascades, and you know what? It's a long, as the name would suggest, cascade of water, multiple entry points, really nice water, very beautiful.
It's fresh but not cold.
Fresh but not cold, yeah, I think that's a fair comment.
It's not overly busy, and if you're a turtle. Pretty nice. I liked it.
Yeah, no, I liked it too. Only being 20 minutes from Cairns by car, easy.
And a 20-minute walk up here, which is paved, easy walk, very accessible.
Yeah, looks like that. And actually, you don't have to go all the way to the top. Like I say.
There's one like 5 minutes in, not even.
Yeah, so if you can't be asked to walk, just go to the one right at the bottom. Easy
the one
peasy.
that you've just seen footage of is right at the top. That's the first
Yeah,
one.
that's the main cascade. Cascader. Because every time we touch. Anyway, enough of that. I hope you can't see my nipples.
I hope you can.
Josephine Falls is a picturesque waterfall nestled in Wooroonuran National Park. Fed by the pristine waters of Mount Bartle Ferrer, the state's highest peak, the fall cascades down smooth granite boulders into clear emerald green pools. The area is surrounded by lush tropical rainforest, offering a serene and scenic escape for visitors. With a well-maintained walking track, it leads to several viewing platforms, providing breathtaking views of the waterfall. The lower pool is a popular swimming spot with a natural rock slide to add to the fun, if you can find the slippery bit. However, water conditions can change rapidly, so visitors are advised to follow the safety signs and guidelines. There is a handy chart telling you the water levels and when it is safe to swim and when it is not, and it is advised to follow this.
We're at the boulders and Badinda, Baduda, D-Day.
Where are we then?
Babinda Boulders is a popular natural attraction in tropical North Queensland, Australia. Located near the town of Babinda, it features crystal clear streams, lush rainforest and striking granite boulders. The area is known for its scenic beauty, swimming holes and Dreamtime significance to the local Yidinji people. While the main swimming area is safe, the nearby Devil's Pool is notorious for strong currents and hidden dangers and has taken lives. For exclusive drone footage, make sure to check out our other channel at Arcade Backpacking Drone.